Alpha House is a unique architectural project designed to be both open and introspective. The architects aim to create a dwelling that offered a clear contrast between solid and void spaces, heavy and light volumes. This is achieved through the use of a large, raw concrete exterior that hides a surprisingly open and light interior. Large windows throughout the house provide expansive views of the surrounding greenery and create a strong connection between the home and its natural environment. The location of the house played a key role in its design. Situated in a private development in Mérida, Yucatán, the property boasts a central park with abundant vegetation. Instead of following the lead of neighboring houses that built close to the park, Alpha House intentionally opens up towards it. This allows the residents to enjoy the natural beauty of the area while maintaining their privacy. The privileged north-south orientation of the land further enhances this connection with nature. The social area, nestled between gardens, becomes the heart of the house, further emphasizing the focus on outdoor living. The architects carefully considered the sun's path when designing Alpha House. Flares and shadows are strategically generated on the south facade to provide protection from the harsh sun. Conversely, the north facade is shielded by lattices to ensure privacy from neighboring views. The garage is deliberately placed on the western side to minimize its visual impact and allow the house to be perceived as a light and airy volume resting on a bed of lush foliage. Overall, Alpha House is a thoughtful design that integrates seamlessly with its surroundings, offering a comfortable and private space bathed in natural light.